Welcome to Wessex Garages Newport. For sale today we have a BMW 1 Series. It's a 116 SE model. It's on a 58 plate, it's in silver, it's a 5-door car, it's a 1.6 petrol engine with a manual gearbox. For a full specification of this car you can visit wessexgarages.com and enter the registration number into the search bar. But today I'll give you a close-up view of the car, inside and out. Moving around the car you'll notice that this car is a 58 plate, 5-spoke BMW alloy wheels. We have body coloured door mirrors and door handles. On the rear bumper you'll notice it has rear parking sensors. There you go, full 360 of the car. Let's have a look inside. First of all, the boot. Excellent boot space with a 60-40 split rear seat. Moving around to the rear passenger area. We have electric windows in the back. Great leg room. 3-point seat belts and adjustable headrests. It's a black cloth interior. Moving around to the driver's side. Controls for the electric windows all round and electric door mirrors. As I say, black cloth interior. Moving into the car. On the centre console see the CD radio player and controls for the air conditioning. It's a 6-speed manual. It's an armrest. Moving around to the main binnacle. It's a keyless ignition, so I'll just pop that on. We can check out the mileage. 38,693. It's going to keep bleeping at me now, probably because the door's open. Okay, and some controls on the steering wheel. The radio and CD, and for picking up your mobile phone calls. If you'd like to test drive this vehicle, you can do so by going onto wessexgarages.com and going through the booking form. You can also reserve this car online for a refundable deposit should you decide not to purchase, but you will receive a discount off the final purchase price if you do reserve online. Thanks for watching this video today.